Hey guys, it's Nancy back again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an intro for your YouTube. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to Google and find a cool picture. Then you're going to go on to a clip and press Ken Burns enabled to disabled. Now you're going to press done and export that to Vaunt. Now that you've, we'll wait, because this does take some time, but it's going over to Vaunt. Now you're going to press that picture, and you're going to type whatever you want. Now you can put your YouTube name, your name, or anything like me, what I'm doing. I'm putting Isabella Foley with some emojis. And you can style this, move this, or anything. And I'm going to be changing the color to a nice tealish. But before that, I need to decide, because all my favorite colors are in this galaxy. But I think I'll stick with the teal. Now I'm going to add another project to the text, and it's going to be some more emojis. So like I said, just press add text, go onto your emojis, but my Bitmoji from my Snapchat was going a little cray-cray. But then just go to emojis and put in your favorite. I chose these two because I really think they describe me. Now you're done, you're just going to move the size and move them if you want. I did a little big for a second, and then I minimized it to my liking, then moved it to where I wanted it to, and now you're going to export it back to iMovie. Now, don't mind all of my other projects. They all did not work. It's like the camera wasn't doing, my phone died, the audio didn't work. Just don't mind. Anyway, you're going to create a new project, and this time is whenever you add the sound. So scroll to the front, click that cross right where next to the replay button is, go to audio. Now you can always click theme music because that's whenever they have all of those selections, but what I like to do is I like to go to sound effects and put in thunder, because thunder really describes this thing. Now I forgot what I was going to be putting in, so I was like, wait, what am I doing? So I had to scroll all the way down to where thunder was. But now listen. So now that you've heard what I like to do, that's just a little sneak peek to whenever I'm using my new one. Now I also do want to say I'm sorry for not posting a lot at all. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Oh, subscribe.